Today, I'm super excited to tell you about something that could literally transform your learning journey. What if I told you there is a way to get world class education completely free? With certification from India's top technical institutions like IITs and IIMs. Yes, you heard that right. Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. In this video, I'll first explain what is NPTEL Swayam portal and what is so special about it. Then we'll also see what we can achieve out of this course, and then we can look into how to register for these courses. Let's look into what is NPTEL. So NPTEL combined with Swayam is India's largest online education platform, but what makes it so special? So let's break it down for you. First of all, these courses are completely free. Top professors from prestigious institutions like IITs, IIScs and IIMs are sharing their knowledge without charging a single penny. We are talking about high quality education that could typically cost thousands of dollars elsewhere. So you can think of this as having India's best professors teaching you right from your home. So this isn't just another certification course to add to your LinkedIn. NPTEL certifications are recognized by top tech companies across India, government organizations, academic institutions worldwide. The best part of these courses are you get high quality video lectures, detailed course materials, weekly assignments to test your understanding, discussion forums to connect with fellow learners, and yes, official certificate that is recognized by companies, institutions worldwide. But it comes with a nominal cost. Now, let's look into the process of these courses. Every week, few lectures are released, which would be nearly 2.5 hours to 4 hours of content. Candidate is expected to go through these videos and submit a weekly assignment before due date to be eligible to get the certification. Once all the content is over, you'll have to appear for the exam at their exam center, and this exam is optional with a nominal fee of 1000 rupees to get a certificate. If you fulfill their passing criteria, then you are entitled for a certificate. Now let's look into the criteria to get a certificate. To get a certificate, first you need to get an average assignment score of greater than or equal to 10 out of 25. So basically you'll be having, for example, 8 weeks and the best of 6 assignments will be taken, and in the exam that you appear in their exam center, out of 75 you need to have greater than or equal to 30 marks. Both of these to be met so that you get a certificate. Let's look into how the scoring is done. So they take the average assignment score by taking average of best 6 assignments, that is only 25% of your 100%. And then out of the exam that you write in the exam center, 75% is taken, and then final score is average assignment score plus exam score. This is how your scoring is done. So definitely all the assignments are very important and you should not skip any of them. Now let's look into the registration process. So first you need to navigate to swayam.gov.in, and when you get inside this portal, click on all courses, and then here you can try to search any of the courses that you want to write. So for me, I'll try to search IoT, and for me I can see some of the IoT course here, and I can also search by expansion like internet. Now I can see here one course called Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial IoT. So now I can get into this course, and so I can learn what is the course about, who are the intended audience, prerequisite. So for example, this course will be 12 weeks, and each week what are the lectures that will be released to you that you have to complete the assignment as well, and which books they have referred to, and who is the instructor and his biography. So the same way I have explained about course certificate. So the course certificate of this exam, the current date is April 27, 2025. So before that course will be complete, and then you need to pay 1000 rupees to attend that exam. And also, as I mentioned, the criteria that you can see here. Now if you want to register to this course, click on this join button, and then you need to fill out all your personal information. Once you have filled it, you need to agree and click on update profile and join the course. Now once you have joined, you will immediately receive a mail regarding that you have joined this course. And now here also you can see the registration is open for the exam that you need to write in April. So you can click here or here as well to register for that certification exam. That is completely optional, so that you get a certificate. Otherwise you can just go through whatever the course that they have mentioned. You can go through that course. Now I'll show you how to register for the certification exam. So here the first thing is you need to go to personal info. So here you need to fill everything that they have asked. Here they'll be asking multiple things like your mobile number, alternate mobile number. You need to upload a passport size photo, signature and ID proof. So I have already done these things, that's why you can see file uploaded, and these are to be only in JPG, and this also in JPG format, and this ID proof like Aadhaar can be PDF or JPG. And one more thing that you need to remember is the file that you are going to upload should be between 50 KB to 150 KB, and for this, even for signature the same way, but for ID proof you will be having up to 2 MB. It will not accept if it is in PNG or if it is less than 50 KB or more than 150 KB. So you need to be careful, or you need to use some tools like upscaler or compressor to upscale your images or compress your images to get to this range of memory. Next you need to fill all these things and click on save and continue. After that, if you are employed, it will ask some details and click on save and continue. So there is one more exam that I have already signed up, that's why it is showing that. And so now if I want to add the current industry 4.0 course, then I need to click on add course. It will show that industry 4.0 and exam date and then add course. Now I can see 2 exams are there. Next thing is select exam cities. So click on edit. So you need to fill the first preference city and pin code, then second preference and as well as third preference. Once you have done that, you can see it is asking for 1000 rupees here, and also for this 1000 rupees you need to confirm and pay. So now you will be seeing all your personal information, and after that you will be able to see that you have to pay 2000 rupees, and I agree and pay through Razorpay and continue to pay. And now once you have paid, you will be able to get a confirmation email, as well as in the portal you will be able to see the payment information. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video has been informative. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. In the upcoming video, I'll show you the best IoT courses to enroll and its details. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.